Hey guys, Stuff Covered here, and today I'm coming to you with a bit of a different video. Today we're going to be taking a look at an Apple application for devices with profile-based operating mode controls. Now, I interpret that as profiles coming to devices. And here in their abstract we can see they say a device such as a phone can be provided by an entity like a business to a user, an employee. And now the device includes a profile manager that allows the user to configure a personal profile comprising any of applications, settings, and stored data. This device is also configurable with an entity profile, yada yada yada. Now I interpret that as you can create a profile on a device, and then that profile, their applications, their device settings, and all those little things, files and whatnot, they can be linked to that profile. Then you could have another profile with a different set of applications, files, contact settings, so on and so forth. And that's all just coming right here from the abstract. Then we could see the way it would connect to the profile server, the application server to get the different applications, the files for the files, and then we could keep going and you could see how they describe it. They have a directory service where, like, when they describe the business, you could have a different users, like in the names, name 1, 2, and 3, which could correspond to different profiles, their job, organizations, so on and so forth. And you can even get the credentials right from the device. And then here we keep going, and then there's, oh, right here, just past it. Here they show the storage system and how you could see the different profile IDs and how each different profile would have different contacts associated or files or even apps. All of these different things associated with each different profile on a device. Now we can keep going. Oh, just past it right here. And then here we see another very interesting little bit of detail where they go into more an example. So here we go. For example, a device such as a smartphone may be provided by a company to a user, and that user may use that phone both as a primary business contact point and as a primary personal contact point. Now, the only way I see that working is if you have some sort of system in place that can separate the personal profile and the business profile. And the only way to do that is with multiple profiles on the device. And then they go into another example. Exemplary aspects include a device that provides user controllable capabilities, allowing a user to maintain, to manage device settings, load applications, and store data on a device that are associated with a personal profile. The device also comprises an entity, such as a business profile, which also include associated settings, applications, and data, meaning you have applications and files and data and all sorts of things associated with a business profile, and then you could toggle on a personal profile with brand new application, device settings, data, and so forth, creating a split between a personal profile and a business profile. And now we did get a glimpse of that when they talked about education and showing the iPad in the classroom. And here we can see even if students share an iPad, they can make it their own. Now here they detail into how different students can create different profiles on one iPad, and each student, when they log in, they're going to see their homework, their apps, and their assignments exactly as they left them. Now to me, this is Apple testing the water of how profiles can work. Now I'm sure we'd all like to have some sort of family iPad, but of course we don't like seeing mom's apps, dad's music, and all that sort of stuff when we use the iPad. So by creating unique profiles, you would be able to have that separation, so when you log into your iPad or even a phone or iPod you guys share, you're going to be able to have your data, your settings, all separated from everybody else's stuff. And like I said, I think this little classroom iPad preview that they have going on is really just the beginning and them testing the water. Now ideally, we'd like to see this on a mass scale where, like they said here, you could have your business apps and data running on one profile for your phone, and then your personal stuff on the other phone. Or let's say, like I said, a family sharing their iPad or a couple sharing an iPad. They could have all their different apps and data in one place. And now another little thing is this application, let's scroll all the way to the top, it was filed all the way in September 30th of 2015, which was right around the time they started coming out with the iPad for the classroom. And then it was just published on March 31st, 2016, just recently. So it seems like they're making some movement in this field, and pretty soon we may get multiple user profiles for Apple devices. Now, if you guys want to be able to access this information on your own and do your own research, I'm going to show you how. You're going to go ahead and go to uspto.gov, which is the United States Patent and Trademark Office. You're going to head over to patents. Right here, we're going to search for patents. No, thank you. And we're going to go to the patent application full text and image database. Right here, we're going to hit the advanced search. And then here we have the query. What we want to do is we want to write in the applicant name. So for that, we're going to type in all caps, AANM / and then we're going to type in Apple. Now this works with any other company. You could type in Google, Microsoft, or any other company and see what sort of patents they have going on. Now we're going to go ahead and hit search. And then right here we're going to see all the different patents they have filed, their IDs, their numbers, titles, and we can go on to the next page, see even more, and look at all these results it's showing us. Showing us 5,583 results. You could go preview, let's go to next, and then you can just keep going, scrolling through the list of patents, and then you could just click on any. It's going to load up right here. You're going to be able to see it, everything. And then you could go ahead and hit images. So you could see the full PDF and all the images associated with it. And then you could go ahead and hit full page. And this is going to give you everything. Here we go. You can just scroll down and see every little thing about this patent. And that's the way to do it, guys. Until next time, I'm StuffCovered, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.